Imagine one laptop but two people using it at the same time. No lag, no fighting for screen, just one PC doing double work. Sounds crazy, right? But today I will show you how to do this using one powerful software. Hello everyone, welcome back to Rising Codesira. Today we are going to see a very interesting software called Aster Pro, which can convert your single computer into multiple computers. Many of us have only one laptop at home, but two people want to use it at the same time. One person wants to code, another wants to watch YouTube or edit videos. So basically one CPU multiple users. To download Asterprosoft, I'm going to search on Google for Asterprosoft. So here we are going to go to official website Aster Multiset software. So this is the website and here you can just see free trial is for 14 days. So 14 days you can try this free. After that you can purchase the software. So this is available for Windows 7, Windows 10 or 11. I'm going to click for Windows 10 and 11. Downloading has started. 58 MB is this size. Right now we are going to install the Asterprosoft and I'm going to double click. As I do this, I'm going to click language as English only and I'm just going to click on next. You can read all this information next. You can read all these agreements and here also I'm going to click on I accept and next. Here I'm going to click on configure Windows settings and then I'm going to click on install. Already I have installed this software, so it is going to remove all these things and it is going to reinstall it. And after doing this, I'm going to click on start the application and I'm going to click on finish. So in this way we can install this and you can just see here I'm just going to close this and I'm going to go inside workplaces. So let's click workplaces. Here we get one dongle which we can connect to a laptop. This dongle is just one which will connect keyboard and mouse as well. So these two things can be connected with a single dongle. So this is quite good keyboard which is required. If you have wired keyboard and wired mouse, then also it's fine. Second required thing is you should have a monitor display or you can use your TV as a second display. Here I am using TV as my second display and we are going to connect it with HDMI port, and my another keyboard and another mouse for the first display is already available here. It is on the laptop. So I'm just going to use this keyboard and this mouse for this display, laptop display. So you can create two accounts, at least two accounts you should have. A Microsoft account. In general setting you need to come in workplaces. As you click on workplaces, you can see there are two displays right now. Project and I will just say extend. Okay, fine. I will just take it. So as I click this and as I move this, I can just see 1.1 is available. So that means this display is 1.1. Now as I'm clicking on the mouse, you can just see the yellow color is been displayed. Okay, as I'm clicking, yellow color is displayed. I'm going to take it and drag at 1.1 display. That's all. So right now I'm having my laptop keyboard. So this is the laptop keyboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it and I'm going to take it for 1.2 display. 1.2 right now is my laptop. So as I'm doing this 1.2, you can just see 1.2 is available here. I'm going to keep laptop keyboard with laptop only, and the trackpad, when I'm just moving, I'm able to see this yellow color. So I'm going to take it at this point. Okay, so the first setup is completed and I just need to connect a keyboard. So right now I have just connected it and as I click on it, this one is the keyboard. Okay, you can just see right now this one is that particular keyboard, and as I'm getting that keyboard, I'm going to click it and put it at this point. Now as I do this, all this setup is completed. I will just click on apply. So this is the message, quite message. So I'm just going to close it. So what we need to do is I'm just going to click on general settings. So we are going to click this enable services Aster, and as I click on this, you need to restart your system. So I'm just going to click on S and it will restart our system. Let's sign in and I'm going to sign in. Now here we are going to get one pop-up and we are going to allow it to start on our second laptop as well. So this is the message, you need to log in. I'm going to click on login. I'm going to enter the password which we have entered right now. Now as I click enter, you will be able to see one message popping over here. You just need to allow this. Okay, will you want to run workplace, and you are just going to click on yes. As you click on yes, on my computer also it has just get started. Now here I'm just going to use another account. So right now you can just see I'm having different accounts running at once and two users can use it at once. So using Asterprosoft you can do this, and right now we are just going to do some tasks. So what we can do is, so I'm just going to start the CapCut on my laptop. So let's start it, and on the another device which you can just see, we will start something like here nothing is there, but we can open a Visual Studio Code and let's open it. So here I'm having React project at one side, and here we are going to open this video which I have just already uploaded. And like the video, guys. If you like this video, please do like this video, share this video with your friends, and let me know inside comment section how was this video as well. And okay, this is ready. You can just see, you can also edit video at this point. So you can just see, you can edit videos. I can also render this from here. I can just render this. So rendering will get started, and let's render it. So for example, I am just rendering it, so there will be no issue. But obviously your system should be faster for this, so that it can handle these two systems. So right now I can also run my React project npm render, and this will start the development server. So it is depend on your system that how much good it has the performance, and it will start the project. So let's start the project as well. So this project is also working fine. I can also code here until the rendering is going on, and here also if I just make any changes, you can just see at this point the changes will be displayed. Okay, so changes are getting displayed. So you can do this if you have two users and they want to work at once. So the requirement is just you need to have a display. If you have TV, it's also good. You need keyboard and mouse with it, and you can connect in this way. And this can be done using Aster Pro software. So that's all about today's video. How was this video? Let me know. And the video is rendered. Thank you guys for watching this video.